TinyML is revolutionizing AI by bringing machine learning to tiny, ultra-low power devices like sensors and microcontrollers. Unlike traditional AI, which depends on cloud computing, TinyML processes data locally, enabling real-time decisions, low energy consumption, and enhanced privacy. Why does TinyML matter? Most out devices have limited power, memory, and no continuous internet access. TinyML solves this by running AI models on devices consuming less than a milliwatt, making edge AI scalable and cost-effective. Real-world use cases. Healthcare. Wearable EEG monitors detect irregular heartbeats instantly. Industrial AI. Sensors analyze machine vibrations to predict failures before they happen. Smart agriculture. AI-powered soil sensors optimize irrigation and reduce water waste. Wildlife conservation. TinyML-enabled sound sensors detect gunshots and chainsaws in protected forests. Smart homes. Voice recognition, gesture control, and anomaly detection, all without cloud dependency. How developers can build with TinyML. Developers can train models on standard machine learning frameworks like TensorFlow Lite for microcontrollers, TFLM optimized for low-power devices. Edge Impulse, a powerful end-to-end platform for training, deploying, and managing TinyML models. Arduino Nano 33 Blesense and Raspberry Pi Pico popular hardware choices for TinyML prototyping. Microtfm and STM32 Cube, AI for optimizing TinyML models on embedded hardware. Development process. The future of TinyML. With major players like Google, Edge Impulse, and Arduino pushing innovation, TinyML is enabling powerful AI on even the smallest devices. From smart devices to autonomous systems, the possibilities are endless. The TinyML revolution is here. How will you use it?